YouTube just dropped a brand new strategy that is literally going to change every single thing for we as a content creator. If you are out there, you've been struggling with visibility, you're not getting views, no subscribers, no watch hours adding, say no more, because this update is literally going to change the game for you. Now, this particular new strategy, what they call it, is the fastest way to blow up on YouTube before the end of 2025, and they actually divided it into 8 different strategies. So try your best to make sure you pay attention and do not miss any part of this video. Okay, so with that much being said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to understand that YouTube does not promote random video. It promotes videos that create curiosity, either solve a problem or ride a momentum. So right now, I am going to be listing out this 8 strategy that is going to help you to come up with your next viral video. So the number 1 strategy is what they call problem and solution formula. Now, as a YouTuber, you need to try your best to be able to list out and analyze your audience pain points, that is their problem, and try your best to brainstorm solution, that is try your best to bring out solution. Now, how can you turn this into a viral video? Now, you need to understand that people tend to click faster on what solve their pain more. So instead of always focused on doing other videos, that is general kind of video, why not take your time to release one video that can actually solve a particular problem? Just like a very good example, do you guys see this my particular video here? This video here, it was because of the tons of comments that I was getting back then. That was what made me to upload this video. And from the comment section, you can tell that almost everybody that watched that video, they were so happy. Oh, Princess, thank you so much for sharing this strategy. This, in fact, this is what I have been searching for. And that is what we call being able to solve out a particular pain point of your audience. Okay, now the second strategy is what they call reinventing your greatest hit. I'm going to be reading directly from what was written here so that you all can be able to flow well. So the first statement here says your past content is a good mine for future videos. I used to say this over and over again, which is simply trying your best to recreate your best performing video, that is any video that gave you visibility, that bring in some audience to your channel. It simply means that if you're able to recreate a part 2 of that video, that is if you're able to like recreate it in another format, it's still going to get visibility. Either the views become higher than the first one or it become lower, but one thing is that it's going to perform well. So now the third strategy is tapping into trends, which is more like the smartest way to blow up here on YouTube. I cannot count how many times this particular strategy has helped me to hit all my most viral video on my channel. So now here is what you need to do for you to be able to find out what is trending in your niche. You can use the app VidIQ and TubeBuddy, but even if you don't have it, making use of the trend section in your YouTube studio can go a long way. You know, your YouTube studio trend section is going to tell you the kind of videos that are performing well in your niche, the kind of videos that your audience are currently watching, that is the kind of videos that they are showing much more interest in. So what do you have to do? Recreate a video or create your own video based on what you were seeing. So that is number 1. Another way is maybe you notice that a particular kind of video topic is trending in your niche, that is most creators are making video about it. What do you have to do? Go ahead and apply it ASAP on your channel. Believe me when I say you may never know, but you might, in fact, you might get your most viral video from it. I have tried this and a lot of other YouTubers has confirmed to this particular thing, and this update is coming all the way from YouTube. Okay, so the fourth strategy is what they call question and polling power. After studying this particular thing, I said to myself, oh Princess, you need to start making use of this particular strategy, because I don't think that I used to apply it before, but all of a sudden I just stopped it. No wonder I keep seeing bigger creators doing this particular thing. So this is what it says: your community is your best source of inspiration, because they're going to literally tell you exactly what they want to see. So now how can you use this particular strategy to get your next viral video? What you need to do is post on your community tab or the short question and answer on a live stream. So just go ahead to ask your viewers what kind of video do they want to see right now. What is their main pain point? Is it on how to get subscriber? Is it how to make money? Is it how to save money? Then after they are able to like list out what they actually want, that is the kind of videos that they actually want to watch, what do you need to do? Take your time to start analyzing them step by step. And what do you have to do? Try your best to recreate it, because you may never know, one particular comment from one of your viewer has actually been close to what 200 to 500 of your subscribers are actually searching for. Okay, so try your best to make sure you start utilizing your community home post very well in order for you to be able to hit your next viral video. So the fifth strategy is what they call the opposite day approach. That is sometimes once in a while trying to flip expectation. For example, let's assume that this particular video on how to get more views is actually raining in your niche. You can go ahead to make a video on why more views are actually killing your channel. Then you go ahead and give us your point. This kind of title is going to cause this stop scrolling and watch, because people would be like, "Ah, how can more views be killing my channel? What does this creator have to say?" This way you can be able to brainstorm an idea for your next viral video. Just try to pay attention to that particular thing that you feel that is going well in your niche and try to make a video about it. This is coming all the way directly from YouTube. Okay, so now the sixth strategy in our list for today is trying your best to deep dive into search data, which simply means trying to search out for what your audience are currently interested in to watch on YouTube. And for you to be able to do that, what you just need to do is to head over straight to your search box on your main YouTube channel and type something that is half of the title of something you want to create. So that, let's say for example, you can go ahead to type YouTube subscribers, then you will see the suggestion that YouTube is going to be bringing out for you. They can be maybe like how to get subs fast, or the fastest way to get subscribers, or maybe why are my subscribers not growing. Each point suggestion that YouTube listed for you is actually a video idea that you can go ahead and create. Who knows, it might be your next viral video. So always try your best to make use of the YouTube search bar. So the number 8 and the last strategy is the inspiration tab. So the eighth and the last strategy is what they call the inspiration tab, which is also known as the AI boost. Now, YouTube has actually and literally made everything so super easy. What do you have to do? When you head over straight to your YouTube Studio desktop version, you try to locate the inspiration tab, which is the new AI boost. Now this AI inspiration tab is going to literally help you with all the ideas and video ideas that are performing well in your niche. So what do you have to do? Copy and paste the prompts and try to redefine it in your own way and make it as a video. I remember one of my best performing video on these niches cannot monetize on YouTube. I literally got that idea using this same analytics, and that video actually blew up. I think it's currently over 50 something thousand views. So this is to tell you that each and every point that was given to us in this particular video today, they are actually practical and they work if and only if you are able to do it and apply it the right way. And this is literally some of the secrets that most of all these your bigger YouTubers use here to get every of the viral video to go extra viral. Okay, so if you're out there and you're serious and you really want to hit your next viral upload, go ahead to apply each and everything that I just shared with us right now, which are coming all the way directly from YouTube. Okay, and if you've watched this video to this extent, you're still struggling with getting subscribers and watch hours to your channel, I just shared a video here that is also going to guide you on how to get these things down to your channel. And also, if you're looking for extra apps and websites to promote your YouTube videos, This video is a mind-blowing video. You can go ahead to watch that video and get all the secret apps and website that you can use to promote any video on your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you made it to this extent, you've never liked this video, please do well to like this video, go down to the comment section and drop me your comment. And lastly, I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, so bye.